Everyone is familiar with milk tea straws. Such a straw made. I'll tell you today. Our straw raw material is biodegradable material. This material is composted. It can degrade to more than 90% in 6 months. The raw materials are transferred from the centralized extruder. Put the raw material in the extruder and melt. Preheat the molding machine to 150 to 200 C. Dynamic extrusion molding. The blown straw is cooled through the sink. After cooling, transfer the straw to the visual inspection device. Detect whether there are black spots and precipitates in the straw. The straw is then drawn to the pipe cutter. Cut according to standard. The straw is basically formed. Then transport the straw to the crystallization chamber. Carry out crystallization. The main purpose is to improve temperature resistance and after the straw is crystallized. Transport the straw to the packaging machine. Separate packaging machine and secondary packaging machine. Coated paper and off-fill. The straw is transported to the corresponding packaging work can be completed. Then it is detected by a metal detector. Perform weight inspection in sequence. Coating processing. Finally, it is sorted out by the robot. In a carton. Complete the packaging. Carton goes through the spiral staircase, shipping to warehouse, and it can be shipped directly to the customer.